To other designers and architects, I think they would be crazy to not consider a Plungie as an option. I'm Tristan Morfitt. I'm the design director at Third Element Studio. We're at our George 2 project in Mornington. When we started designing George 2, the vision was really about creating two homes that felt generous and luxurious. We wanted it to feel like a retreat, something you could relax through day-to-day living. The pools became a key part of that story early on. From my design background, choosing a precast pool really came down to predictability and efficiency. Every project is tricky. It has the tricky aspects to think about. For this site, it was fitting the pools into the compact outdoor spaces. It was close to boundaries, neighbouring trees, close to proposed building structures, and we needed to manage all of that while trying to keep the indoor-outdoor connection flowing. With a Plungie, we knew exactly what we were working with from the start, the dimensions, the structure, the engineering. It allowed us to implement it easily into the design. I think Plungie adds a lot of value for the clients and the end user of these homes. Aesthetically, it's that wow factor. A pool always makes an outdoor space feel like a retreat with the added value of bringing happiness. They pull the family together. On the practical side, it's cost effective, low stress with its installation. Because it's precast, it installs quickly and doesn't create delays or extra costs. Precast pools I see as a more sustainable option compared to traditional concrete pools and builds. There's less waste on site. The precise manufacturing process means no wastage of materials. It's a small thing in isolation, but across multiple projects, prefab really helps reduce the environmental impact. They're a smart, stress-free way to give your clients a pool that looks custom, functions beautifully, doesn't slow down the project at all. The clients are going to save money. Give them the opportunity to spend that saved money on things that they can use in their house every day.